Introducing the thinking of tomorrow, today. A product that will change the way you bathe forever. Introducing Symphony Spa. A smart water heater with the magic of advanced 9-layer PUROPOD technology that transforms the hardest water silky soft, so you can finally say goodbye to hair damage and hello to beautiful hair. A splash-proof AI-enabled water heater with smart bath technology that is intuitive, interactive, intelligent,
Water ready.
making your bath smart. Symphony. The era of smart bath is here.